I got him. I got him. I got these bastards. Here we go. So break even, and I will see if I can get something bigger going. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that on the entry points. But I hope they don't just come back down and get me. They could do that just as quickly. Are you took it for 10 points? I know that was just too easy right there. now let's figure out a way to stick around. I mean, that's ultimately the goal here. I mean, we'll be a bit disappointing if they come back and hit me at 46, but I have no risk in this trade. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Hold the line. Hold. Let's go. They're trying to shake us. I know they are. Okay, it's almost good to take another one here, but just leave it alone. Let it be. It's gonna go higher. Come on, baby, let's go. You want to do it? I know you want to. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get greedy, George. Don't get greedy. Here we go. Here we go. One more, and then we leave it to that 94 level. Actually, I'll leave it up for a higher price. Then I'm gonna move my stop to just below that most recent swing low. Just let it roll. Come back in 15 minutes and see if we can hit that higher target. It's an interesting price. This is what cannot be. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go. You know you want it. You know you want it. Yes, you do. Come pick it up, baby. Sugar on top. Oh yeah, don't do that. Thank you. And that's how it's done. That's how it's done. So that trade made us close 2,900. So we're up 43.93 for the day, and not a lot of size, to be honest with you. I'm not like I haven't even broken 10 contracts. It's just understanding these ranges and understanding my entry and my risk and working on those ranges. Now, I took a couple of trades that took a bit of heat on, but it wasn't significant size. And then we shifted. Oh, look at that! It's going to take off. Shifted to taking the transitional zones in that one, which is right there. It's too pretty. right, see it? That was too pretty.